So I've just about got this all masked off, and got a little bit left over here where I'm sitting. Pretty much made myself a bubble to go outside, and I'll have some workspace down below here, put some cardboard, what have you. And then I can get to actually cutting this out. I was going to try to use this thing, but I think I might need something a little more aggressive, possibly a Sawzall, something like that. This support here for the battery charger is actually built on top of this base, so where normally along this edge it's just fiber, so I'm gonna have to cut through the wood, which this is not particularly designed to go through, 3/8 inch plywood. So I'm gonna switch tools up, I believe, and go from there. They didn't even have 3/8 inch at the composite store, so what I'm going to do is use 1/2 inch. I don't think I will have to modify anything to do that, so I'm not too worried about it. But it's pouring outside today, and I'm not going to carry wood or even have a dry area to cut the wood, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. Today I'm going to finish masking off all of this, and I'll cut this and pull this deck out and prep it and get it ready, and then tomorrow morning I will use this basically as a template and then cut the wood and install it and gel coat and let that dry, and then come back and reinstall all of the fittings and water tank, all that good stuff.